Have you ever wondered why the moon and the planets seem to move across the sky as they do? It's a dance choreographed by the laws of physics and the relentless march of time. Astronomy, the scientific study of celestial objects, space, and the physical universe as a whole, has been the subject of human fascination for millennia. It's the moon and the planets' movements that have particularly puzzled and inspired us. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, orbits the Earth approximately once every 27 days. This is known as a sidereal month, and it's the time it takes for the moon to return to the same position in the sky relative to the stars. However, due to the Earth's own orbit around the Sun, we observe the complete cycle of moon phases over the course of about 29.5 days. This is a synodic month. Now, let's turn our attention to the planets. Unlike stars, planets do not remain fixed in their positions. As they orbit the Sun, they move relative to the stars, following a path called the ecliptic. This movement is most noticeable over several nights of observation. For example, if you were to track the position of Mars over several weeks, you would see it slowly move eastward against the background stars. However, there's an interesting twist to this celestial story. Sometimes planets appear to move in the opposite direction, a phenomenon known as retrograde motion. This occurs when Earth, in its faster inner orbit, overtakes an outer planet. As we pass by, the planet seems to move backward in the sky, creating a loop-like path among the stars. This dance of the moon and planets is not random. It's a precise ballet, dictated by the gravitational interactions between these celestial bodies and the Sun. It's a spectacle that unfolds on a cosmic scale, yet one that we can observe from our own backyards. But what about the other planets in our solar system? Well, the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, follow similar patterns, but due to their greater distance from the Sun, their movements are much slower and less noticeable from Earth. The inner planets, Mercury and Venus, move more rapidly across our sky due to their closer proximity to the Sun. In essence, the moon and the planets move in predictable patterns, governed by the laws of physics. They've been tracing these paths for billions of years, and will continue to do so for billions more. To sum it up, the moon and the planets' movements are a celestial ballet, choreographed by gravity and time. The moon orbits the Earth, the planets orbit the Sun, and sometimes they appear to move backward in the sky due to the relative positions and movements of Earth and the other planets. It's a spectacle that is both vast in scale and intimately connected to our daily lives. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're watching a performance that's been going on for billions of years, and you've got the best seat in the house.